sure your delt. Yes. Ten, 9, 8. I'll show you from the side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Shake it out, 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 shake it out. You're welcome. Okay, so whatever, I don't need that right now. You're gonna lay on your back and your legs are going to bend, knees up, rock side to side. Feels so good. And as soon as you're ready, you're going to extend both legs out wide. Just like gravity, do the work right here. Can be fun to bend one knee, see that? And then bend the other. It's kind of like a Spider-Man move.